Well, hello folks. Well, today we're going to spatchcock a turkey and get it ready and get it out on our Char-Broil Big Easy today. We've got our turkey out. It's about a 13 and a half, almost 14-pound turkey. And we've got our neck and our gizzards out. You want to be sure and take that out of your cavities. And we're going to make some giblet gravy later on. But in order to spatchcock a turkey, I mean, you basically kind of just cut a lot of this fat off. And you don't want to discard it. You want to keep that. We're going to cut this tail and get that cut. I'm going to save that. That'll go in there as well. I'm going to take some of these scissors here. Cut some of this loose skin off. I'm going to keep that also. And in order to spatchcock a turkey, at least this is how we're doing it, you want to come right alongside of this backbone right here and going to cut that. You can use scissors, shears, kitchen shears, or you can use a knife, either one. I've got a pretty sharp kitchen knife. And you just cut right alongside of the backbone. Cut right through that like that. That bone's being cantankerous there. There we go. And then we'll come back along this side of this one. Just going to cut this backbone out here. And we're going to save this, put this in with our giblets so we can cook all that down and make us some gravy out of that. But that's basically it. Got a little bone right here in the center. You want to kind of really gristle in a way. Just want to kind of sear there, mark that a little bit, and then your turkey will just lay flat like that. We're going to clean up some of this, get some of that skin and stuff off there. So anyway, that's kind of what we've got there. And so there's a spatchcock turkey right there.